The next chord we're going to talk about is the E chord. Now, unlike some of the other chords that we've discussed that don't use all of the strings, the E chord does use all of the strings. And so to play this one, we're going to have our low E is open, and then from there we're going to place our middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Our ring finger will be on the 2nd fret of the D string. Our index finger will be on the 1st fret of the G string, and then B and high E are going to be played open. So it's going to sound like this. This has a nice sound, and it's especially great as an acoustic guitar chord. It just has that nice low resonant sound that you hear with the acoustic guitar. So that's the E chord. We'll see you next time.